Future life will be nothing as what we have now. Humans will evolve as it happened before. In this new world, humans will adapt into metamorphosis creatures, which will experience multiple drastic changes in appearance and mental state through lifetime. Combination of Homo sapiens brain and very wide development of insect mental abilities will turn people into organized, truly curious, smart and open-minded creatures. It's a society with no prejudice, joy and scientific development. This experimental lineup from Studio 2 consisting of insect body parts gave me a start for main collection development and served as inspiration source for early steps in the process. All silhouettes are asymmetrical and have such organic details as spikes and curves, which, as I discovered during this project in combination with artificial-looking materials, I think could be my personal design direction for future works. The color palette consists mainly of black and gray shades with some faded blue, pink and green colors. It comes from collection prints which were inspired by natural gems and stones, insects and night atmosphere. Metamorphosis collection toolbooks has digitally printed synthetic fabrics such as cotton and polyester blend poplin, silk for suits and pants, and transparent and gray vinyl for coating and decoration. Gabardine and coated gabardine are here for coats and jumpsuits together with reflective fabric. Materials and details are a translation from functional attire such as removable pieces and protection, as well as organic field embroidery and mesh jersey decorated with handmade silicone gems. Functional aspect of Metamorphosis comes from spacewear, which inspired me for styling and making a custom closure. It has same construction as a basic buckle, but is actually more a decorative element to combine it with a suit. I got really into the process of construction analysis and further object build-up. Learning new program operation showed me how many opportunities for fashion design different 3D softwares have, and I immediately got a lot of new ideas I want to try further. For example, I made a custom avatars. These are the people I imagine in the future world. Embroidery gems are made of silicone, which allows to assign a new shape for each piece. Material see-through feature makes them indistinguishable from real stones, and discordantly placed stitches reflect the environment such gems could be found in. Field embroidery reflects concept and works as a hidden message. It's not as obvious as, for example, a print could be because it's only a 3D shape without contrasting color. And the collection has one more message like that. Another hidden message of the collection is in prints. It started with block printing square deconstruction. The idea of taking apart a basic shape to create a new one without removing any piece goes in line with the concept of the new world. It's different, but the components must be same. I got very organic shapes because for some of them my inspiration was just a detail from collection silhouette or literally a pattern of an insect wing. Main inspiration for one set of prints turned out to be the in-between process picture of taking apart square. You can still recognize the square, old world, but at the same time can clearly see that it will never be the same, because pieces it broke into are too complex. Color and execution-wise, my inspiration is from nature. Rare gems which look alien to us but are actually part of our planet, and insects and their weird environment, which is actually incorporated in our life too. Playing with fonts in order to bring some graphic in my print collection, I came across the idea of stretching out something as a way to deform it. Stretched out Metamorphosis word becomes something completely unclear, distorted lines if you look at it from the front. All it takes is to change the perspective and look at it from top or bottom. This print is another hidden message of the collection.